Today, I'm going to go over 6 different steps that you can use to earn income on YouTube without actually having to make any videos. And I teach people how to make money online and on YouTube, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now here's a question for you guys. Have you ever seen a YouTube video in which the person in it didn't even show their face? More than likely the answer to that is probably yes. But I bet you didn't know that these types of videos can actually make a ton of money. Most of these channels aren't even original in the sense that they're just using other people's videos, but they're transforming it. So basically what these channels do is they go out there and they download videos from YouTube, re-upload them on their own channels, and then make money from those videos by putting ads. And you're probably asking, is this legal? And the answer is yes, it falls under something called fair use. So here in just a moment, I'm going to be going over 6 different steps on exactly how to do this. But first, here's a basic overview of how this works. So the basic idea is that you go to YouTube, you download videos, you then re-upload them on your own channel, and then you then monetize those videos. And that way you're making money from YouTube, but you never actually have to make any videos. So step 1 is to create your channel, and chances are that you already have a YouTube account if you're watching this. So making a channel is super simple and easy. You can make as many channels as you want, and you don't need 100 different Gmails or 100 different passwords. You literally only need one Gmail account, and you can make as many channels as you want under that Gmail. So at this point, you're probably saying, how do I know which videos I should be making? Well, that brings us into step number 2, which is choosing a niche. The top niches I recommend are top 10 channels, tech channels, meditation channels, scary videos or scary stories, and last, luxury and financial channels. Now these are all niches that perform very well on YouTube. So once you choose a niche, you can make your channel and make sure to put a logo and channel art on your channel so it looks professional and to make sure it looks like a real brand. What this does is make sure that your channel looks as official as possible. Step number 3 is getting monetized. So how do I actually go out and start making money doing this? Well, you can get monetized directly on YouTube and put ads on your videos by joining something called the YouTube Partner Program. And YouTube will put ads on your videos and you'll get a certain percentage of that ad revenue. And the 2 things you need to get monetized are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. And you might be thinking, this is going to take so long to get to. But with the method that I'm showing you, you can actually meet these requirements a lot faster than you probably think. For an example, I aim to get monetized on every new channel I start within 1 to 2 months of starting that channel. So in reality, this can happen fairly quickly. Going on to step number 4 is getting content. Now, where you can actually get content to use in your videos, I'm going to show you 2 different places that you can get content. Number 1 is directly off YouTube itself. So to do this, simply go to YouTube and search for your niche. So for an example, if you wanted to make meditation videos, go to the search bar and type in meditation music, and then go to filter and click Creative Commons, and this will allow you to use these videos on your channel and they will not get copyrighted because they fall under fair use. So the second place you can get content to use is websites that offer free stock footage. So there's a huge YouTube channel out there like Brainy Dose, which literally only makes psychology videos with the voiceover on top of these free stock videos. So now you're probably saying, where can I get free stock footage? The number 1 website I recommend is pixabay.com, where you can get completely free videos and pictures to use within your YouTube videos. And if you actually want to make more money on YouTube and you don't want to wait to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time, you can actually make a lot more money on YouTube by putting affiliate links in the description of your YouTube videos. Depending on the niche of your channel, you can put the affiliate links to the products that are related in your video. For an example, if you have a tech gadgets channel, you can put the links to those gadgets in your description and you'll make money that way too. So, where can you find these affiliate product links? Well, I recommend clickbank.com and the Amazon affiliate program. So moving on to step number 5 is optimizing your videos. So in order to start making money doing this, you need to make sure that your videos are optimized, and you're probably asking, how do I optimize my videos? The way to do this is having an optimized title, description tags, thumbnail, and subtitles on your videos. And the way to do this without having to do a ton of work is by using a completely free extension called vidIQ. I'll leave a link down below where you can get it. You want to make sure that it's something that people would actually search for. So when you're coming up with these titles, it's a good idea to ask yourself, would I actually search for this title on YouTube myself? And for the description, you want to make sure to use a lot of sentences with the tags and keywords that will be searched for on YouTube. And this will make sure that your video appears in search results and the suggested video feeds of related videos. It's really simple, but if you don't want to do all this work, just get the extension vidIQ at the link down below in the description. Step 6 is putting ads on your videos. So once you've done everything correctly, you should be monetized, and the best way to make the most amount of money from YouTube is producing videos that are over 10 minutes long. This way you can actually add mid-roll ads on your videos and put multiple ads throughout your videos. And the best way to do this is put an ad at the beginning of the video and at the end of the video, and then every 2 minutes throughout the video. This way you'll make the most amount of money from your video. For example, if you have a 10-minute video, you put an ad at 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, and 8 minutes. And then one at both at the beginning and the end of the video. That way you'll have 6 different ads instead of just one, so you'll make up to 6 times amount of that money. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Be sure to hit that like button if you haven't already, and I hope you all found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe if you want to learn more about how to make money on YouTube. With that being said, I'll see you all next time, and thanks for watching.